Okay, what is going on, everyone? If you guys see holes in my shirt, I didn't purposely do this. It just happens to be the look, I guess. But welcome to the live stream. Once again, my name is Aries, and we are doing the $20 to $52,000 challenge. Okay, what is going on, everyone? Okay, let me cut that off before that's annoying. Okay, so let's look at a couple things we're going to be looking at. Yeah, I have multiple different monitors. So you see me turning this way, I have another monitor over here. I'm just gonna get everything set up for the news event that's gonna be happening that you guys are seeing right now. So let me just get all this set up. And then I also have my tablet right here. So yeah, the life of a day trader. A lot of different instruments. All right, cool. But how's everyone doing? Hopefully everyone's having a great trading week so far. We definitely are. Not doing too bad over here. Just came back from the gym as always, so yeah, feeling pretty motivated, feeling pretty good so far. Okay, here we go. Got Forex Factory pulled up on here, and then let me get gold or EU on this device right here. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. Okay, pulling trading view on this tablet so I can look at different instruments at the same exact time. So I'm gonna be looking at let me get rid of this so it stops becoming annoying. Okay, cool. Got GU pulled up over here. Cool. All right. So I no longer get rid of that. Jeez. All right, my bad, guys. So I don't have to really focus on too many different things. I like to have everything set up. How do you just turn this down? Because this is getting annoying. Haven't cut this tablet on in like a week now, but does someone know how to cut this stuff off? Jeez. It's even on Do Not Disturb, which is insane. Mm-mm-mm. Give me 1 second, guys. That's gonna get really, really annoying. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So even if it does do it, I won't. You guys won't have to hear it. I won't have to hear it, which is better. Okay, cool. So on my tablet, I'm gonna be looking at GU, and obviously on the screen, you'll be seeing me look at gold. Okay. So what is the game plan coming into gold, right? So there's a couple different objectives that we can see, right? Move this over a little bit, right? So gold does have a 4-hour FVG kind of resting right here, right? So I have two different scenarios that could possibly happen, right? I personally would like to see gold actually shoot up, take out the previous daily high and even the weekly high, and then look for selling opportunities to this liquidity zone. Or obviously we could, and actually let me make sure I'm recording. Perfect. There we go. Now recording. Cool. So as far as gold, once again, I am looking for gold to come down here to this level, this 4-hour level, or shoot up to the daily and weekly high, or vice versa. We take out liquidity and then come back down, right? But you can see during Tokyo session, we did have a little bit of a bullish action, right? From 2669 to what 2685. Even London hitting 2689. So a nice little bull run. Over here, right? Understanding that we are looking to see if it's going to hit that 4 hour, right? We do have my 200 moving average, and currently right now we do kind of see it tanking a little bit, okay? And obviously, I mentioned in my free Telegram when I'm looking at EU is I do really, or actually, let me show you guys a dollar so you guys can actually like the bigger picture of everything, okay? Right, on the dollar, there is a daily FEG that we were looking at here. Get rid of my indicator so you guys can see. Right. There is a nice daily FEG that still is waiting to be grabbed. I'm looking for 50% of that move to be taken out. Right. Once we can get 50% of that daily FEG taken out, we can look at EU for or EU or GU for possible selling opportunities. So it'd be the same thing kind of for EU as you guys can see right here. EU has a nice little small but nice daily FEG. If you can get a push into this level, then look for sells. That'll be the game plan for EU and also GU. Is the exact same plan on GU. GU also has a daily FEG. Honestly, a much larger FEG than EU. Because there's not any more recent ones. I mean, that one's not even. I mean, that's nothing. But we do have from this point to this point, we have not came back into this level. To see it push would be really nice. But we just gotta wait and see what this news event's gonna do in the next 4 minutes. Does that make sense to everyone? But since I am kind of looking at GU on my tablet, I am really just gonna be focusing on looking at gold on here. And let us get our lot sizes correct. Open. And I have all the lot sizes calculated on this little spreadsheet, and this is based off of gold. So for EU, you kind of basically have to times it by 2. So if I was to trade EU, I'd use a 0.4, but on gold, I'm using the 0.2, right? I might even use a little bit of a lesser lot size because this is kind of like a scalping strategy, so it's very quick moves. So I might drop it down to maybe 0.15 just so I can catch a much bigger move on gold, okay? But we are on level 126. In order to pass today's challenge, we are looking to make about $38 in profit, and we're risking about $28 to do this, okay? So if we fail, obviously we go back to $98. So we're just looking, like I said, to make $38 or lose $28. That's our risk parameter right there, okay? So let me go ahead and plug in on gold, right? Go to gold, and that lot size was, I have horrible memory. That lot size we had to use was 0.19, right? So if it's 0.19, I'm actually gonna use 0.5 or 1.5, sorry, for gold, and then EU we'll kick it up to 0. What's that time? We'll do 0.35. Sounds about right for EU, and then same thing for GU. 35. Okay. So gold will be using a 1.5, 35, just because, like I said, you kind of want to times it by like 2. So that's kind of close to being 40, right? So I'm just looking to times that by 2. But we have about 1:40 until this news event is active. So let's see what we're gonna get out of this. Okay. Go back to gold. Go to 5-minute here, and let's see what kind of reaction we're gonna get. Actually, I'll put this right here. Looking to get some pretty good trades today, guys. We're on a 4-day winning streak, which is nice. Obviously, if we lose a trade today, it doesn't really bother me whatsoever. We had a very profitable week last week, not only on the $20 challenge, but on my personals, made some great money in the markets. We're just taking simple setups. So we're just looking to see what we can get here today, right? Actually, I don't really need to cut these back on since it's already established that there is a 4-hour resting right there, which is my yellow line. I always use yellow lines for my 4 hours. And the news event is coming out in about 30 minutes, guys. So we're just waiting to see what we're gonna do here. And like I said, wait, what? Three red folders news. We should see a good amount of movement in the market today. Just want to see what exactly are we gonna do here. All right, news event in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's see what we do. All right, are we gonna take out liquidity on the daily high? Maybe. See what the dollar is doing real quick. Okay, dollar has indeed, right, going past what we said. So we could look for EU sells here. I'm gonna take EU sells here. We already grabbed liquidity now. Oh, I did not mean to do that twice, but here we go. So we are in EU sells here, guys. We already grabbed liquidity. Now we're looking for that move, right? Still gonna hold this trade, guys. Okay, just got the alert for the daily FEG. Now we simply just need to wait and see what we're going to do. The dollar looks like it still might dump a little bit more. But we'll see. Completely cleared the daily though. Completely cleared it. So we need to see what we're going to do here, guys. Down $33. Might have to make a decision and get out pretty soon. We're already past what we needed to lose for today. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we're gonna get that drop once more. Down 16. Target goal we needed to make once again was we need to make $38 on this trade or lose about 28. We're down about 33, so we need to be very careful, guys. We might have to close pretty soon, depending on how this candle closes here. Down 33, 42, still pushing. Yeah, I may have to close here, guys. Looks like we're coming back down just a little bit. Though it looks like it still could possibly drop. Drop some more, which means EU could easily push up a little bit more. But we're gonna watch and see, guys. We're gonna watch and see. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Looks like we are dropping. Went ahead and put in the RTP level. That's about where we need to go to get out of this trade. So let's see. We're in profits now, barely. Up only about a couple dollars here. Looks like we are dropping pretty heavily now. Okay. Up about 9, 10. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. What was that? Almost about break even. I think we could possibly push up a little bit more, guys. I'm not really liking that right now. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Gold literally hit the daily and dropped. That would have been probably a little bit better of a trade, but I think the dollar can easily just keep going. I'm not really liking that right now. Now, if we can come back up to that level there, maybe, but I just don't like how the dollar is just keeps jumping up and down. So we're just gonna wait, guys. It might have a little bit more room to push. Mm. So far, it's a break even, or I lost 70 cents on the day, so not too bad. Let's see what this candle's gonna want to do here. Mm. Looks like we are getting sellers stepping in. GU actually looks pretty interesting. Let me go to GU real quick. Okay. GU, and look at EU. GU still pushing like a whole lot more for sure. GU could honestly be trying to get to that daily that we saw earlier, right? Right there. Could be what it's trying to do. I just think the dollar just has. I think the dollar's gonna run a little bit more, guys. If I have to be honest. May take a stab at GU sells. Yeah, like the dollar is still tanking a little bit, which is good, right? Gold. Yeah, gold would have been a crazy trade. Literally perfect entry. Might take a stab at the sells here. Going to wait for what this candle's gonna do here, right there, or right here. Objective on the daily was already hit. Just looking to get into some sniper entries here, guys. All right, nice little surge again. DXY looks like it probably still keep tanking. Definitely did not respect that daily FEJ. Coming close to our 21 moving average there. EU kind of doesn't really know what it wants to do. I'm gonna lower my lot size so that I can hold this trade for a little bit longer, guys. I need to see weakness in the dollar. We're gonna go ahead and get in. Like I said, once again, we are looking for about a $38 gain on this account. Just checking on the channel to see if anyone had any questions. Yeah, looking for about $38 gain on this. Up about $9. Come back to entry, we'll just close again, guys. Protecting the trade. Once again, getting close to our entry. I would like this candle just to flip bearish. $8. Okay, 14. Okay, 19. Alright, looking for about $38 here, guys. I'm gonna take that off. I just We're up about $12 on the day. I really need to see it just. I need to see the dollar become bearish, basically. The dollar still looks like it might have a little bit more room. EU. Okay, next candle just came out. Let's see what this candle wants to do. Is it going to want to rip up again and then take another sell position there? Possibly. We'll see, guys. Just don't want to get caught up in something. That also just created a nice 5-minute fair value gap in the middle there. See what gold is doing. That EU trade more than likely would have played out, but we'll see. Account needs to say 164 for us to get to the next phase. So we are at 137. What is it? Wait, 164. We need to make $27 on our next and final trade, guys. If we can get that. The market doesn't promise anything, but if we can get another good trade of a $27 gain, we'll be done for the day. Looks like to be a little bit of hesitation on both ends. Well, really everything. Drop my lot size just one more time. Get into sales right here. TP. I'll go ahead and do that. Up already $8. All right, that's where we need to get out at. Once again, if it gets close to our entry, you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna protect this position at all times. What? Wow! What a wick! Literally just shot down and screwed. Like that was insane. Dude, are you guys seeing this? Insane volatility right now. Wow. Take us out the trade. Take us out the trade. Maybe getting close. We've been close like several times now. Come on, come on. Get us out. Let's be done for the day. You're right there. Talk to me. Come on. You're right there. Someone like blow on it so we can just hit it. Come on. You're right there. You want to drop. You know you do. Come on. Come on, sellers. There's not enough power. We don't have enough power to really drop it. A full retracement back to entry? Like literally 2 times it almost at our TP. And smack. Taking it out. It doesn't want to hit TP, we do it ourselves, guys. Doesn't want to hit TP, we do it ourselves, right? That's way too close for me. I'm not gonna hold that trade when we're literally right there. Okay. Uh, we were supposed to be at 164, and we end up getting 163.75. And okay, of course it went. It would have hit TP, whatever, right? I'm gonna call it there. I'm not gonna be a straggler for 25 cents. Hopefully you guys aren't gonna be mad at me for not getting 25 cents. But great patience, great execution on both ends. That gold trade would have been absolutely disgusting. Uh, like I mean, you guys are seeing what I'm saying. Exactly where I marked that at, right? Literally went for the daily high. We sucked liquidity, and then it took us to it tanked, right? I can't make this up. I'm not saying the best trader out there, but when you just know the analysis, it makes it so much easier. That EU trade would probably hit TP as well. Going back and look where we're at. Yeah, I think my TP, if you guys remember too, was somewhere around here. Yeah, so TP on both ends would have been hit. But great trading day today. Yeah, we obviously I made a withdrawal and everything before the day. Yeah, we made about $38 and then a loss of basically break even of 70 cents. Okay, so not a bad trading day. And we're done. That's as simple as it needs to be. We are now on level 9, so we can mark this out. And that's it. Like I'm not gonna take another trade. There's no point. I'm not gonna, oh, let's try to get to level, 10 for the day. Literally one level a day. After doing that to level 30, the account will be at $40,000. Right? Just be patient. Look for quality setups, and that's really all you need to do. Okay. But I'm not gonna keep you guys too long. I'm actually just gonna get off and enjoy my day. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. It was very simple, very easy, very quick. Live stream for about 16 minutes, looking at trading CPI. I understand what we were targeting and what I needed to do or what I needed to make as far as to complete the next phase. It's your boy Aries, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.